and the NVMe drive as well. So let's move on. Next thing is going to be opening up this power supply. I'm going to show you the power supply that I picked for this build. Power supply that I've chosen was the Phanteks that matches the case, the manufacturer, and 80 plus platinum power supply, and it's 1200 watts, fully modular. This power supply supports two systems at once. The power supply dual system support. It has a 12-year manufacturer warranty. 80 plus platinum includes the following: two 24-pin motherboard, two 4x4 pin CPU, one 8 4x4 pin CPU, four 6 plus 2 pin PCIe, 4x SATA 4 connectors, 1x Molex 3 connectors, and one power cable. And supports a dual system setup, highly efficient for dual systems, hybrid fan control for low noise operation, cable free internal connection design, Japanese solid capacitors, full modular cable design, and gold plated high current terminals, and multiple GPU systems supported. So let's open this box up and let's take a look. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and let's open this power supply up here. Okay. Let's put that over there. Alright, let's open this up and take a look. And powered by Seasonic as well, technology. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so there's a little tab to pull the box in. I gotta admit, this power supply is a lot heavier than I ever thought it was going to be. Alright, so I've got a nice, flashy, glossy black case. Let's take this down on its back. And open this up. Okay. So we got our high current power cable. Comes with user manual, zip ties, Velcro ties. Let's take a look, see what's inside this package. It's, from what I can see, what's in here. Yeah, they're famous Velcro strips. And one of their logos. Screws. Zip ties and a manual. We don't need the zip ties, we don't need the manual. So we put this to the side for the moment. This is the package with all the cords in it. Comes in a big bag.